Understanding real estate starts here. Property is either real, immovable land, buildings, or personal, movable items. Real estate focuses on land and its ownership rights. This ownership includes a bundle of rights like using, selling, or leasing the property. These rights can be divided. Knowing these fundamentals is key to navigation. First off, what's the difference between property and real estate? Property can be anything owned. Real estate specifically refers to land and buildings, things that are immovable. When you own real estate, you get a bundle of rights. The right to possess, control, exclude others from, enjoy, and sell or lease the property. Real estate isn't like other assets. Physically, its location is fixed. Immobility, every property is unique. Heterogeneity, it lasts a long time. Durability, and it's often sold whole. Indivisibility, economically it's illiquid. Selling takes time. Transactions have high costs, and the process is lengthy. It needs ongoing maintenance, but historically, it's been a good hedge against inflation. Remember, it's also subject to government rules, and the market isn't always perfectly rational or informed. The market is diverse. We have residential properties where people live, including HDB flats and private options. Commercial properties are for business, like offices, shops, and shophouses. And industrial properties cover factories, warehouses, and business parks. There are also specialized types like hotels and JTC properties. Looking closer at private residential properties, landed homes like bungalows, semi-detached, and terrace houses usually come with exclusive ownership of the land plot. Strata landed are similar house types, but under strata title, meaning you own the house space and share common facilities. Non-landed properties like condominiums and apartments also operate under strata titles managed by an MCST, where you own your unit and share common areas and costs. Real estate markets run on supply and demand. Supply, new and existing properties, is typically inelastic, slow to change because building takes time. Demand, however, is more elastic and can shift due to macro factors like the economy and population, or micro factors like location, property age, size, and accessibility. Obsolescence, when a property becomes outdated, also affects demand. The real estate market is very different from the stock market. It's less centralized and information isn't always perfect. For easier access to property investment, REITs, real estate investment trusts, offer shares in property portfolios. It's also vital to think in submarkets, segmenting by property type, residential, commercial, etc., and location, like Singapore's CCR, RCR, and OCR, as different segments perform differently. In Singapore's dynamic real estate market, several sources offer crucial insights. The Urban Redevelopment Authority, URA, provides key data on property prices, supply pipelines, and the Property Price Index, essential for understanding trends and making informed decisions. Another vital source is the Housing and Development Board, HDB, offering valuable resale price information and map services to explore neighborhoods, useful for buyers and investors alike. JTC Corporation contributes comprehensive industrial statistics, shedding light on the business side of real estate and helping identify opportunities in industrial properties. Subscription apps like 99.co and SoReal also provide modern, user-friendly access to up-to-date listings, simplifying property searches and comparisons. Furthermore, remember to consider market segmentation by property type. Understanding these submarkets helps investors and home buyers identify specific trends and opportunities. By leveraging these resources, URA, HDB, JTC, and apps, you can gain a comprehensive understanding of Singapore's real estate landscape. Stay informed and use these tools to guide your decisions in this ever-evolving market.